In my last video, I introduced my first cordless router, and I made a really big mistake. Well, in this video, I'm going to correct that mistake. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Total Station, the Compact Bench, and the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get yourself a set of plans to build any of these for yourself, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below. And remember, if you like these videos, to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Most important, give me a comment and share the channel with others. As my subscribers know, I'm doing a big tool transition. I am switching heavily to cordless tools or battery operated tools. And I have chosen to go with the DeWalt FlexVolt system. And my first cordless router, I unboxed it and fooled around with it and made a quick cut with it just to kind of check it out and introduce it to you. And when I put the bit in, I had the battery on the router. Now, in so many of my videos in the past, I've got over 700 videos here on YouTube, and I've worked with mostly corded tools throughout my career. And when you saw me put a bit in any of my other routers, all corded, you would see me pop the cord off so that I could change the bit and not accidentally have it come on and cut me. Well, I didn't think about the fact that being cordless, the battery is the power. It is going to do the same thing as leaving the tool plugged into the wall. But I am a newbie to this, and so I wanted to correct this. And by the way, my subscribers have let me know, hey, that's a bad thing to teach. It's to leave the battery on. And you're right, and it's something that I had to learn. So I want to thank my followers for letting me know. And because of you, I'm making this video so that I can correct that mistake. My primary experience with cordless tools has been battery-operated drills. I've used them for decades. And I leave the battery on when I change the bits. In fact, I use the power to actually change the bit. With these keyless chucks, I'll grab the chuck and then I will back the bit out, and when I'm tightening it in, I will put it on. So it is my habit. It's ingrained in me to do that and not remove the battery. Now, I do have my cordless track saw, and that has 2 batteries on it. And I've rarely, in fact, I've only taken the blade off once, and that was just to learn how to do it. I just haven't had to change the blade. As much as this has been used, the blade is still cutting good. But there's enough going on here. I wouldn't think twice. I would have removed the batteries to change that blade. But when I installed the bit in this router with the battery attached, I was really taking a chance. With this high-speed bit and me putting a wrench on this and dropping this in. Now the odds of me hitting the power button, it's over there, are pretty slim, but still the potential is there. So taking a few seconds to remove the battery will protect you and keep you from doing lots of damage that this bit could do. A lot different than if you're changing your drill bit. So I'm going to continue to leave the battery on my drills. When I change it, it just helps me change them quicker. And my hand is back here and the other hand is on the trigger. So I'm in kind of a situation where it would be difficult. Could happen, and I don't know that it's maybe not a bad idea to remove this, but if you see me in the shop making these videos and not removing the battery on the drill, that's my habit, and I'll probably continue with that. But I promise in the future, if I'm making videos in the shop and I have to change a bit or a blade, you will see me unplug the saw, or in this case, remove the battery. Hey, again, I want to thank my subscribers for bringing this to my attention. That's what this community is about. It's about working more efficiently, working smarter, but most important, working safe. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.